Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh. Assalamu alaikum.
Salam.
Sheikh, I know a traveler can shorten the salah, but when am I considered a traveler? When I leave my house, when I leave the city, or is it like when you reach 80 kilometers, now you can shorten the salah, for example?
Shortening the salat has to be when you are away from your place, okay, traveling. So if you are going to, let's say, Scotland, you can't shorten the prayer in Luton, nor you could shorten the prayer in like Milton Keynes. As soon as you hit away from this area, it's considered traveling, then you are a traveler. But you could combine, no problem. Shortening, you can't. But you could combine. So if you prayed Dhuhr here and you know that you're going to be traveling, I could pray Asr as well, to combine, but 4 rak'ah. Just to make it easy for me to journey. But I can't shorten until I'm outside, let's say the first, maybe I could say on the motorway, the first or the second service station.